Imagine a bank account that deposits exactly 86,400 credits every morning. There is no rollover. Anything you haven't spent by midnight resets to zero. If this were a financial account, you would likely track every transaction. Yet, because these deposits are measured in seconds, the daily expiration often goes ignored. Most people protect their money with high security while leaving their hours open to anyone who wants to claim them. Reclaiming that time requires moving away from a reactive schedule. High-output individuals like Elon Musk manage multiple organizations by using an engineered calendar system that assigns a specific objective to every available block of time. To build this system for yourself, you need 3 tools ready: a digital calendar, your smartphone screen time report, and a calculator. Securing these tools is the first step toward moving your daily routine from a state of chaos to a state of deliberate execution. Take a monthly income of 30,000 rupees. That breaks down to 1,350 rupees a day, or roughly 227 rupees an hour. If you spend 4 hours daily on social media, you lose 908 rupees every day. Monthly, that habit costs you your entire rent. This drain is intentional. Historically, the Roman Empire used bread and circus, cheap food and constant entertainment to keep the population distracted from major societal issues. Modern social media functions as a digital circus, engineered to keep your attention away from your own goals. You have to cut the feed. Go into your smartphone settings and set the daily limits for every entertainment app to 0. Removing these digital drains redirects your peak energy hours toward work that generates actual progress. The SMART framework is a mandatory checklist for your goal. It must be specific and achievable. Aiming to make 1 crore is just a wish. It must be measurable, like a download progress bar, so you know how much work remains. Ensure the goal is relevant. A dog might chase a car, but it has no use for the vehicle once it stops. If you spend weeks on a goal that doesn't align with your actual interests, you've simply wasted those weeks. Finally, every goal must be time-bound. Without a strict, non-negotiable deadline, a task will slowly expand to fill all the time you give it. This framework converts abstract dreams into engineered targets. Once the target is clear, you can decide exactly where your daily energy must flow. Most people rely on a standard to-do list. Take that list and discard it immediately. Research from Harvard demonstrates that long lists create choice overload. When you see 20 unrelated tasks, your brain struggles to decide which one to start, leading to procrastination. The list ignores effort. It's easy to pick a 3-minute trivial task over a critical one for a quick dopamine hit. By the time you get to the important work, your mental energy is completely depleted. Instead, rank your tasks by the impact they have on your SMART goal and the biological energy they require. This ensures your execution is dictated by your energy levels, rather than the random order in which you wrote the tasks down. This is where we build the time box. Instead of an open-ended list, you pack your ranked tasks into rigid, fixed slots on your calendar. Drag your highest impact goal into your highest energy hours, typically the early morning. Schedule the afternoon for lower energy administrative duties and your controlled periods of entertainment. The most important rule is that these blocks are non-negotiable. Treat them with the respect you'd give a formal appointment with a high-stakes client. When a block ends, the task stops. This pressure forces efficiency, as you know you only have a limited window to complete the work. A time-boxed calendar eliminates the fatigue of making constant choices throughout the day. You are simply following a blueprint you've already optimized. Holding a mathematically calculated blueprint for your day provides a level of certainty that a chaotic to-do list cannot match. You are no longer reacting to the world. You are dictating your own pace. Time moves with the momentum of a galloping horse. By prioritizing tasks that align with your highest value goals, you stop chasing the horse and begin to direct its speed toward the outcomes you've defined. Take a moment to solidify this. Calculate your 30-minute monetary value based on your current income and post it in the comments below. The figures in your bank account today reflect your past efforts. The way you allocate your next 86,400 seconds is the primary tool you have to influence what that balance looks like tomorrow.